Hey sausage rolls, it's Red Skittle and this is my intro of my first ever video, so yeah. So today we're going to be playing Murder Mystery 2 and just to warn you, I'm very bad, so yeah. Grab a snack, grab a drink and enjoy the video. I see you've actually come to eat me. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I like doing this little spin. So, yeah. I'm a new YouTuber, so hopefully I get better throughout and hopefully I can reach my goal, which is... I know it's a lot, but I'm going to start with like 10 subscribers. I know I'm probably going to get like 1, and that's probably going to be a friend or something. If I have any. Anyway, yeah, enjoy the video. I'm not going to end obviously, but... Oh. Girl, I fell off the pool. Need to get back in the pool. Oh. I don't... Oh, of course I'm in this section. This is wrong. Right. How much rounds should we do? Should we do 5 rounds? 10 rounds? I don't know. I'm just gonna do it till however long I last. Ooh, I'm gonna do it. If I die 3 times, the video ends. Which will probably be... Yeah, just saying, I'm actually really bad at this. I'm not any good, so you're not probably expecting really good out of me. And also, if you want to play with me, just comment what you want to play, comment your username, comment when you want to play, and we will make it happen. Obviously, I'm not famous, but this guy in the main outfit keeps following me, so he's acting like I'm famous. Did he just die? Oh, good. I don't trust her. I don't trust anyone. I don't like this. Look at all these coins. Actually, very good. Oh, that was very good. I'm creepy. That was a test round. That didn't count, that was a test round. I know you probably get bored of me already. Probably get bored of me already, but I want to be entertaining to you. If you get bored, just comment what I could do better, because I'll try to improve that, y'all. Yeah. I don't know the song. What do you like about Michael Jackson? I love Michael Jackson because I like when he goes hee hee. Oh, girl. Did you hear my voice? Or like hee hee? No, I didn't go like that. Girl, why does it look like it's got eyebrows? Look like eyebrow. Eyeball. Oh, girl, stop putting your butt up. What? That was his private. Eyeball, mouth. Girl, that's scary. Oh, I didn't even get a chance to load. Not sure what that is. Girl, I'm innocent again. I swear, if I die, it's gonna be my first life gone because first time was a practice round. That doesn't. Wait, I'm dying. Okay, that doesn't count. Wait, I need screen lock. Okay, girl. I found it now. I don't hear you give me a heart attack. I'm scared. Sausage rolls, what do I do? What do I do, sausage rolls? Everyone keeps coming up behind me. I'm just gonna go this way. Tag, tag, toe. Wait, I've got that song stuck in my head. As soon as I start singing it, they're coming closer. That didn't count. That was That was just lucky. That didn't count. Wait, what's in here? Is this murder mystery too? Oh. Well, still, that didn't count. You look like the okay. I don't care. Alright, let's go with the pill. Guys, I keep dying. I'm not good at this game. Guy, oh, so yeah, I do this thing. If I get sheriff, the first person I see, I shoot. Yeah. Right. Let's get back in. Oh. Ow.
Hold on. I'm on my way. Don't move.
Wait.
Don't fade away.
What the hell is this called? Toe. I like eating toe. Wait, what? Go. She's following me. Ha, jumped over. She was on my head. I was out her head. Then my head hit the wall. Wow. Hey, she can't do anything about it. I got bothered. Guys, I'm gonna go mansion. I like mansion. Why are you climbing over? Oh, it's the tac-tac-toe girl. Tac-tac-toe, don't say no. Tac-tac-toe. I'll need you. Don't leave me. I need you here with me. Okay, well. Oh, why am I always doing this? Wait, not always. Instant 3 rounds, actually. Tac-tac. I don't trust that guy. I don't trust anyone. I don't know if I'm meant to trust that guy. Black pink in your... Sorry, I just saw the word pink. That's the black pink. Who's the murderer? I'm scared. I'm just a skittle. I'm just a little skittle. Just a little skittle. Jeepers creepers! It's right there. He's right there. Hey, I'm not even the sheriff. Oh, I'm seeing the seashells. Seashell, but a seesaw. It's good. I'm gonna quiet in the corner. He's cute. I'm an imposter. I'm an imposter. I just saw blue orange. I can see outside. Wait. I can see outside. What is that the... Anyway, I hate when there's hacker. That didn't count. Hit. Okay, that did count. 1, 2. Wait, why did they have it? Oh, I've got. Good. I'm there. That's so embarrassing. I'm just so bad at this game. I don't have to. Tac. Guys, unfortunately, this is gonna be the last round. I know we've only had like 3 rounds, but I've got places to be, man. Yeah, I don't have places to be, but I want to do some stuff, and I need it. So I think other videos will be like more longer, of course. But girl, I'm gonna have to let you go after this. You're gonna be a burnt sausage roll without me. Do you even know how to cook sausage rolls? Well, you better know how to cook sausage rolls because I don't. Girl, the murderer's on a spree! Girl, who is the murderer? I think they're the murderer. I don't know who the murderer is. Oh, no, that's not the murderer. I'm good. Why are they just white? I like the sand. What's in here? Oh. I have to check the corners before I go. She went that way. She went this way. She went that way. She's coming. She's coming. Where the hell is she? Come on, really quick. This sheriff better not die. Oh, I'm lagging. I'm lagging, guys. This is no good. I'm lagging. I'm gonna try to reconnect sausage rolls. I like calling you sausage rolls. You're a sausage roll. Guys, by the way, if you like and subscribe, you're officially in the sausage roll gang. Who won? Did the chef win? Yeah, the silver one. Okay, guys. Where the hell did you come from? I'm gonna have to let you go now. That will be the end. Good night. Night night.